The group precisely produces products with standards measuring art and builds the brand with more than 20 years of concentration and commitment. Dehumidifier, since the early establishment, has been striving to become the leader in the domestic smart technology industry. From the development and application of the first mold production chain to the wide range of industrial chain operation, we keep on tracking the innovation trends for equipment and processes, constantly renovate various technologies, and continue to break through the limit. Dehumidifier, with 100% concentration and dedication, has completed the historical change from a single traditional industry to the science and technology industry of independent innovation, thus becoming a leading brand of the core technologies for variable frequency control around the world. At present, Dehumidifier has developed 3 major industrial chains: the key variable frequency control systems for air conditioning, water pump and small appliances, dehumidifier, air purifier, air water generator, and other technical household appliances, heat exchanger products for air conditioning and refrigeration equipment. Given a new position of intelligence, health, energy saving, and environmental protection to the products with profession and concentration, and continued to expand the field of industry. Dehumidifier makes it possible for each craftsman to fully understand technology, and all the rigorous attitude towards the process is revealed in the slightest details, displayed incisively and vividly, interpreting the wisdom of the brand's pursuit of excellence. We have established a perfect production management system and professional quality assurance system, and adopted many sets of high-performance laboratories and testing centers to ensure high precision throughout the entire production process and the finished products. Each product has experienced a lot of stringent tests before handed to you. We show you our persistent pursuit of quality with technology means, which are hard for you to find fault with. We are eager to break through in the advanced technology fields and stand out. We take the steps of scientific and technological exploration, overcome numerous problems, and create the possibility which seems impossible. After 20 years of preparation, Dehumidifier continues to explore by virtue of the senior experience and continuous injection of fresh blood, and promote the new transformation from made in China to made with wisdom. In 2007, Dehumidifier began to get involved in the field of DC inverter, successfully developed the 180-degree sine wave DC inverter controller for air conditioner after 3 years of hard work, and fully mastered the 180-degree sine wave DC inverter control technology and its core algorithm, making the new breakthrough for the industry. We have also developed a new sensorless radar flux estimation model and algorithm, and achieved the low-frequency control of the compressor below 0.1 Hz, which was leading in the industry. We create technical breakthroughs again and again with high-level academic seminars, create the world's leading high-tech products with advanced design and manufacturing means. We inject a steady stream of new power for Made with Wisdom, with our commitment to the pursuit of scientific and technological innovation. We unite the power of each individual to create greater value with joint collaboration. We put our promise to the company and commitment to customers in mind, and never put aside the responsibility and the persistent attitude. We get together to bring a new technology upgrade for the traditional industry, as well as a new change to the cause of green development, energy saving, and environmental protection. Harmonious, pragmatic, innovative, and efficient. Embrace each and every partner with an open mind, and provide customers with the ultimate product and complete protection with modern management and improved after-sales service system. We have been providing the core inverter technology for Midea for more than 10 years. And we are also the trusted strategic partner for Panasonic, Haier, TCL, Oaks, and other well-known enterprises. With morality spreading everywhere come the businesses all over the world. We carry the mission of improving the living environment of human, and therefore we are committed to achieving greater innovation and more achievements in high-end air treatment, water treatment equipment, and other fields. We hold the pure ambition of promoting national industry and creating the most excellent technology national enterprises with rigorous and focused attitude. Let the world share the unlimited value brought by technology and create a better future for healthy and intelligent life.